Hi, welcome to today's episode. Today we want to learn how to copy your broadsheet table into Excel platform. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is to zoom down your screen. Zoom down your screen. I am currently on Chrome browser. So what you need to do is to go up to the top right side, uppermost extreme top right side. You will see three dots there. So these are three dots. When you click it, you get this drop down. And then you look for zoom. You can see zoom. So you can do this on any browser. All you need is to zoom properly. So zoom down the page to as low as 75 so you don't have issues when you want to copy the page. Alright, so when you've done that, then you copy the page. So put your arrow to the top left side of the page, as you can see, then you copy. So when you copy to the very point, to the end part of it on the right side, and then do a right click, and then copy, or you do Ctrl+C. Then you go over to the Excel platform. You can create a new sheet, just like that, and then do Ctrl+V, or you right click on the very cell, this very cell, and then paste. That is it. So you can do that for all of the broadsheet pages, copy and paste. It is that very simple. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Very simple to do. If you have any challenges, comment or send me a message and I will take it up from there. Thank you and God bless.